Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Lego vending machine. So basically what happens is I'm just going to put this sideways that you can see. You put the coin's there, then you pull it out and you can put a sweet on there. It could be any of your choice. So then, to get my money out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get regular Lego head, just stick it into this hole and pull it out, and there's my money. So then I can just put this back in, pull my head out, and you can't steal the money. Okay, so basically now, how to build this. So you're going to get 6x6 base plate and do them in this pattern. It does matter that it's this pattern. Then I am going to place down 6x1. Two 4x1s and another 6x1. So for the next step, you're going to get a 4x4 flat base plate, then another one, then I'm going to get a piece there and place that there. Then I'm going to get a piece like that with a hole in. The hole is necessary. Then I'm going to place a vent piece on top. Then I can place that here. Next I'm going to get a regular 2x2 and place a vent piece on top. Then I'm going to place it on there, just like that. So that's that stage completed. So now you can place that onto there. So for the next stage, you're going to need two 4x1s. I'm going to put 4 vent pieces on top, just like that. So then I get a platform like that. Then I'm going to get this piece. That's 2 6x1s, 2 2x2s, and 1 1x1. Then I'm going to place that here. I'm going to make another one of those. Just like this. Then it's going to go on like that. I should have one like this. Then for the next step, I'm going to need a 6x1. That's going to place So yeah, so I'm gonna get a 2 6x1, 6x1. Then I'm going to get 2 of them and 1 of them, just like so. Next, I'm going to get another one and put it across there. So you should have something that looks like this. Now I can get this piece that you made and slide it in like that. Then I'm going to build another layer up. Then so now I'm going to place one here. Then I'm going to get 3 2x2s and 3 1x1s and place the ones up just like that. Then for the next step, I'm going to build up 3 layers, just like this. And I'm going to place 3 bricks up, just like that. Then this is the final step of your building. You're going to place a 4x6 base plate on top and a 6x2 base plate on top. I should just make it looks like this. For the next stage of your vending machine, you're going to need these pieces. So then I'm going to put them all together, just like this. Then I'm going to push this one, and this one. Then these 2 on top. Now this should fit just in. So sorry, I need to build that 1 block higher. You need to build that 1 block higher. Then there. So if you would like to, you could add this bit is not imperative, but you could do. You could place a 1x1 slope just down there. Then in that goes. There you have it. Your own Lego vending machine. So in case you did not, in case you couldn't remember, this is so going to put my 1 penny in, then it just steals my money. So actually, sorry, you will need that piece there, and then, yeah.